Imagine walking into your kitchen and picking fresh basil, parsley, or mint whenever you need it. No backyard, no expensive setup, just fresh herbs growing right inside your home. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build an indoor herb garden that's perfect for beginners. Indoor herbs save money, taste better than dried herbs, and are always within reach. Instead of buying expensive herb packages every week, you can grow your own year-round. Even if you live in an apartment or have limited space, an indoor herb garden can thrive with just a little sunlight and regular care. Step 1. Choose the right herbs. Some herbs grow much easier indoors than others. If you're just getting started, try basil, parsley, chives, mint, oregano. These herbs are forgiving and grow well in containers. If you're new to gardening, beginning with just 2 or 3 herbs makes caring for them much easier. Step 2. Pick the right containers. You don't need fancy planters. Almost any container works as long as it has drainage holes. Small pots between 4 and 8 inches are perfect for most herbs. If your favorite decorative pot doesn't have drainage, place a smaller nursery pot inside it. That gives you the best of both worlds, healthy plants and attractive decor. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using soil from outside. Garden soil becomes heavy in containers and doesn't drain well. Instead, choose a lightweight potting mix made for container plants. Healthy roots need both moisture and air. A good potting mix helps provide both. Step 4. Give them enough light. Most herbs love sunlight. Aim for at least 6 hours of bright light each day. A sunny south-facing window usually works best. If your apartment doesn't receive enough natural light, don't worry. A simple LED grow light can keep herbs healthy all year long. Step 5. Water the right way. Overwatering is one of the fastest ways to kill herbs. Instead of watering on a schedule, check the soil first. Stick your finger about an inch into the pot. If it feels dry, water thoroughly. If it's still moist, wait another day. Your herbs will thank you. The more you harvest, the more many herbs produce. Always trim just above a leaf node. Avoid removing more than 1/3 of the plant at one time. Regular harvesting encourages fuller, healthier growth and gives you fresh herbs whenever you cook. Starting an indoor herb garden is one of the easiest gardening projects for beginners. With a few small pots, quality soil, plenty of light, and a little patience, you'll enjoy fresh herbs right from your kitchen. Best of all, you'll gain confidence to grow even more plants in the future. If you enjoyed this beginner-friendly project, subscribe to Soil to Harvest for more simple gardening ideas, container projects, and DIY growing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden project.